Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Toyota Corolla jack full guide. Locate the jack and spare, park on level ground, apply parking brake, and chock wheels before lifting. Position the jack at the specified jacking point near the wheel, align securely, and pump the handle slowly until the tire clears. Remove lug nuts, change the tire, lower the car evenly, tighten lug nuts to specified torque, and store tools safely. Before you jack the car, gather tools: jack, lug wrench, spare, gloves, and flashlight for visibility. Set the car in park or neutral for manual, apply parking brake, and place wheel chocks on opposite side. Loosen lug nuts slightly while wheel remains on ground, follow owner's manual for specific jack points, and keep phone nearby for emergencies. Wear eye protection, avoid soft ground, and ask for help if the vehicle feels unstable. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and long-term planning, and it pairs oddly well with practical skills like car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider giving it a read. Now let's get back to the video. Position the jack carefully at the jacking point and ensure it sits flat and centered before lifting. Pump the jack slowly while watching for any shifting or unusual noises, and only lift until tire clears the ground. Remove the wheel, replace with the spare, and hand thread lug nuts before lowering slightly. When lowering, tighten lug nuts in a star pattern, lower the car slowly, recheck lug torque after driving a short distance, and store the jack securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.